The day before I delivered my beautiful daughter, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I had always made the assumption that because it was on my father's side that I didn't need to worry about it.
Having the genetic test saved my life.
You know, guys, every once in a while I'll check because I never thought I would end up with it.
But what if I get to that place and I don't know if it's chemo brain or if it's Alzheimer's, you know?
This cancer, like, I can deal with it. I can't deal with not having my memory. And it never came back.
It's not like, well, okay, I can sit down and just get back to things as usual, because things as usual do not exist anymore.
Chemo brain refers to the cognitive effects that some people experience after treatment, and we have some very helpful information on it. But first, you're going to meet two survivors who received a cancer diagnosis at a time when they should have been celebrating one of life's milestones.
I was 39 weeks pregnant. I found the lump myself, and I knew something was not right. And it's also intuition. I mean, you should know your own body. You should always be self-examining at least once a month, and that's what I did. So the day before I delivered my beautiful daughter, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and it was confirmed that it was invasive ductal carcinoma.
We found that she had not one but two unique, discrete cancers of the breast during that late point in her pregnancy.
In the grand scheme of things, this was the best timing that it could ever happen. If I felt this lump 4 months earlier, what would have then happened to my daughter? You know, my first daughter was breastfed for 10 months. I would have done the same with my second daughter. And by that point, you know, the diagnosis probably would have been more severe. This is purely curable. You know, this is a chronic disease if caught early. One of the biggest lessons is, you know, people always say it does take a village. When you have a baby, it takes a village when you have cancer. And if people want to cook you a meal, you have them cook you a meal.